Hey guys, so in today's lecture we will be covering how to make an equation of a given line. So first of all, for example, you might have a graph like this and you might have a line like this over here, right? So the question could be, what is the equation of this line AB? Now first of all, what I need to tell you is that the formula is y is equals to mx plus c. Y basically refers to the y coordinate, x refers to the x coordinate, m refers to your gradient, which we have covered in the previous lectures, and the new thing over here is c. C refers to your y-intercept. In this case, your y-intercept would be this line which is intersecting with your y-axis. Now let's move on to the questions. Now over here we have this question 1. Given that y is equals to minus x plus c passes through the point 1, 2, find the value of c. Now we need to find the value of c. First of all, your equation is y is equals to mx plus c. And over here the equation is y is equals to minus x plus c. So can I write minus x as minus 1x? Yes, I can write. Therefore your gradient would be m would be minus 1. So now plug in the values. You have 1, 2. Consider this as x1 and y1. The equation is y is equals to minus x plus c. Now instead of writing y and minus x, just plug in the values. Instead of y, write 2 is equals to minus 1 plus c. 2 plus 1 is equals to c, and the value of c is equals to 3. Now your final answer would be y is equals to minus x plus 3 if the question asks you to write in form of an equation. Now let's move on to question 2. In question 2 it says that minus 3, 3 lies on the line y is equals to 4x plus 4k. So y is equals to 4x plus k. Now we already know that the points are minus 3, 3, which you can write is as x1, y1, and your gradient is 4. Now y is equals to 4x plus k. Plug in the values. Instead of y, write 3 is equals to 4 multiplied by minus 3 plus k. 3 is equals to minus 12 plus k. 3 plus 12 is equals to k. K is equals to 15. Now if you were to write the final answer, your final answer would be in form of an equation y is equals to 4x plus 15. And that's how you find the equation of a line.